In this video we are going to discuss what is a present continuous tense, where we can use it, where we can't use it, and how does spelling works. Before we move on to our main topic, let's get a basic idea of the thing that we should know. So, what is a tense? Tense is a form of verb that allows you to express time. There are three main types of tenses in English, which is past, present, and future. And there are subtype tenses, each made by dividing main tenses types into four categories based on their function. These functions are simple, perfect, perfect continuous, and continuous. There are 12 subtype tenses. The present continuous is one subtype tense among these 12 subtype tenses. Now we have basic idea about what is a tense. Let's go to our main topic, present continuous tense, also called as present progressive tense. So, what is present continuous tense? This tense describes an action that happening right now, longer actions in progress, and something happening in near future. To get started, we are going to compare this with simple present tense. So, what is the difference between I work and I am working? This is something happening right now or something temporary. Like, you are watching this video. But simple present tense means something that permanent, something that doing for a long time. To express present continuous tense, we add ing to the verb. For an example, let's make a sentence. I am sleeping. In this case, the verb, which is sleep, have changed into sleeping. Now let's review when we use present continuous tense. There are few times that we can use this. As we discussed earlier, when we talk about something happening right now, we use present continuous, or we can use this when discuss something happening right around now. For example, he is writing a book. He may be not right as we speak, but he is writing around now. Or we can use this to talk about something temporary, or we can talk about a trend, or for a repeated action, or for described near future under few conditions. For example, she is going to Japan next month. Next month is the condition here. When discussing future, always use some kind of hint like tomorrow, next day, so on. Now let's look at when not to use present continuous tense. When we are talking about more permanent things, we don't use present continuous tense. For example, I am living in UK, which is clearly happening right now. But this is more permanent, so this sentence is wrong. Right one is going to be, I live in UK. And when we talking about stative verb, we don't use present continuous tense. For example, the sentence, I understanding English, is wrong because the verb understand is a stative verb. Now let's look at how spelling changes works on the verb when we use present continuous tense. Most of the time you only have to add ing behind the verb, like working. But for verbs that end with letter E, it drops the letter E, and then add the ing. For example, use became using. And there are verbs that end with letter I and E. In these cases, IE get removed, and instead of IE add Y before adding ing. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.